Hey guys, I feel like it's been months since we have gone camping because it's been raining literally since November. But today we're gonna go up to Double Isle and stay there for 2 nights, and I mean it's pretty nice. Like, you can't ask for better weather than this. So yeah, I'm pretty keen to go up again. Hopefully it's going to be good surf. And I got a new drone as well, so we're going to test that out. So that's going to be pretty sick. But yeah, see you there. Good morning, everyone. We woke up about an hour ago. Not much of a sunrise. The clouds are just covering the sun. But I got some awesome drone shots, and yeah, I was flying it a little bit around, testing it out. Unfortunately, I only have one battery for it at the moment, so like you get 30 minutes of flight time and then you have to charge it again. But I have ordered the extension pack, so it's coming so I can fly it a bit more. But currently I'm just sitting here in front of camp. It rained a little bit last night, unfortunately, but it wasn't too bad. Like, if you put your swag under the awning, it generally goes alright. It's just that when you do that, you obviously don't have any space for anything else, so you have to pack everything into the car, but it worked out. It's fine. And yeah, now we're just waiting for the rest of the peeps to come up. Everyone's probably stoked to be going for a surf, but yeah, that's the plan. Back at camp again. We set up a little bit different now from what we did when we were here this morning, but that's a setup, just having stuff's drying. Got this awesome Dune Fold Dry King Titan Deluxe swag, and honestly it's a game changer. Like, I think we're going to keep, like, this is the one that we're going to keep. We have another one as well, but we're probably going to get rid of that and upgrade to this one because it's pretty sick. And yeah, got the weather. Look at this. Yeah, I know. Pretty bougie for camping. Drew and Emma here. Everyone's chilling. Emma's 23-0. I don't understand how you're gonna... Is that what it is? Yeah, well, I don't understand how you're gonna fit in here. Can you please demonstrate?
No, my feet are sandy.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. It's actually quite big. Okay, so for those who think that this is a swag for dwarfs, it's apparently not.
It's really not.
It looks so tiny. It's great. That's Tyler's car. And look at that sunset. Like, it's just so nice and colourful. I was filming a couple of people out surfing earlier, and I caught a big shovel-nosed shark on the film. So I'm going to show you that right now. And yeah, it was just, that's the reason why I don't go out surfing, basically. But yeah, just cutting up some food here and yeah, enjoying the night. Didn't film too much during the day with the GoPro because yeah, we basically didn't do much than hang out at the point. But yeah, that's normally what you do here at Double Isle anyways. There's not really a lot of four-wheel driving tracks or anything like that. Please tell me what the cook-up is.
So we got a little bit of bean burritos. That's what the
Bean
that's what
burrito.
the plan is.
I need to
Yeah, and we're
get
gonna chuck in some veggies as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're gonna chuck in a few roast veggies here.
I heard they were like flame spitting.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No?
Because there's
Okay.
not anymore.
Not anymore.
We'll just leave it at that, I think.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah.